In this video I'm going to show you how I'm swapping steering wheel in my Suzuki Jimny first generation facelift. Here I have two steering wheels from other Suzukis. One is from the Suzuki Vitara second generation and the other one is from the Suzuki Alto. I purchased those two steering wheels. At first I thought I'm gonna fit the steering wheel from the Vitara, but this one is black, but the one I currently have in my Suzuki Jimny is grey, same as the one from the Alto. And also the Vitara steering wheel, it's a multifunction one, where my Jimmy hasn't got the multifunction steering wheel, so I think this one, the one from the Suzuki Alto, will be the best. I hope it will fit. I've not done it before. I did some research and I think both of those steering wheels should fit no problem. In general, I really like my Jimny, but the only thing I hate is the steering wheel, so that's why I decided to replace it. As far as I know, they should fit no problem. My only concern is the airbag plug and the horn connection, but I think they all are the same. So let's remove the old steering wheel and see if I can fit another steering wheel. First of all, I have to disconnect the battery for the safety reason. So guys, the steering wheel is fitted. Let's just undo the steering wheel lock and see how it is. In my opinion, it looks much better than the previous one. It's the same color as the dashboard, and in general it's really nice, that steering wheel. Let's just connect the battery and see if the airbag light will be off and if the horn is working. So let's try now. The airbag light is off. I can do it again, so you can see the airbag light is flashing and then it's off. Let's start the car. Put the indicator on. Works fine. Works fine. And now the horn. So guys, that's it. The steering wheel is replaced. I'm really happy with the result. That steering wheel, in my opinion, looks much better. If you like this video, just leave the thumb up and subscribe to my channel, as more videos will be coming soon. Also guys, tell me in the comments below the video what you think about this steering wheel, and if you got any comments or thoughts, just leave them in a section below. And I see you in the next video.